Your Leverage Nation is a boy Clay and we're back again with another fishing video, you see me? Today, we are looking at the usual spot them. Dominic there, Father Leverage there. Sure. We have some live shrimp in a yasso. And we have some dead shrimp. You see me? So, hopefully, that one I go epic. Don't know anything go. So, check in with me, I don't know. But yeah. Another fishing video, we're gonna see what we can get today. You know the usual targets, but yeah man, just lucky, stay tuned. Remember, share, comment, leave a like, subscribe if you're not subscribed already. Tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend. You see me, but we're there. And we're gonna see if we can get some footage for now. So stay tuned. The leverage, yeah. Welcome, you don't know anything go. Alright, so we're out here at the fishing spot right now. Tides in low. Them say it's not a good sign. But we can still see where we can catch man, because we have some live bait today and some, you know. Regular dead bait, so yeah, see it's so off. Things that it's a problem. Leverage. So you can actually walk around and so on the stone then, but you have to be careful, you know, because it's still shaky and go around. And stay from right or so and just go and do your thing, you know. Live shrimp. Hook up, ready, so we can grab it now. Just let the water go. No, look there. You see him? Someone rip him off of the line, dog. See if we can hook him back. Whoa, that was crazy. Alright. So, my mind make up and I carry the bucket. Come out just so and see if we can get just first.
Yeah, man. So that's here. Alright, on the cliffs. Yeah, you know? Oh, from there.
Shrimp.
Watch out.
Yo, I'm not clean no grunt, you know. I'm telling you from now. When I catch grunt and I bring it home, I'm not cleaning no grunt. Hate deal with grunt, brother. Every video I'm telling you this, man, I want no grunt, brother. Something bigger right as I do. I'll grab my shrimp a while ago. So.
One snap of a small.
Something did there right, that's all I'm not seeing. Now I see him again.
Just check in and see where I go on leverage nation. You know, just out here. Enjoy the scenery. So we can catch with some live bait today. You know the leverage. What?
Brother, something on them bait, brother. Feeling. Stop. No, what was going on? Stop. Get gone. Watch you have them jump out that bucket in a boy.
Piece of shit there.
This is live stream in here. Alright, that's it. So test one period.
Test him, see what happens.
Rock them in the rock, I see nothing underneath the rock there. Oh, what that? Oh, mangrove snapping about in small. Yo, look there. You see that? Him rip the shrimp in a two, literally, brother. Look, brother, him literally rip the shrimp in a two, you know? It's not. I want to snap a brother and just come from underneath the rock and rip the shrimp in a. That's why I say, yo, underneath the rocks, dog. Snapper them now, I just stay out and I stun them and go hooch up on the rock then. Him literally just pop out, rip the shrimp in a two, then you go again, take your rest off and make this my line. I'll keep it locked so they don't jump out. Hook him by the, right between the tails and I like for hook them. Come on. I've got to change my hook soon. Because my hook too big. So that I use for the boat. I've got to change it soon, but that's what I can get anyway without any adjustment. Hold on, I'm good. Yes, my dog. Watch. Watch out. Go fish. That's it? Yo, what the hell? Alright, leverage nation, I catch one phone. Instead of show, no? I just catch one phone. Give me like 10 seconds. Either then eat off the bait or make it a fish. Yeah, probably gone, right? You see them, dog? Yo! Fish it is, brother. It gone. It gone.
Show him out, man.
Alright, that's one. I want to know correct.
Alright, now, who that kayak? Like irrigation, we in that kayak. I'm not do it in a because anything can come and attack it, you know. Playing pan boat. Playing pan water, you say?
Up on the engine, them, brother.
Playing pan water. But a big one then go for. I know from what I see him take it out.
Brother, something have to go change from the line there now. The weight have to go change and the hook have to go change.
Small commercial break.
Tell me for the commercial break.
Leverage don't know about that, you know?
Leverage don't know about that. Leverage nation and leverage boss.
Leverage nation.
Of course they don't know about that.
Yeah, some food right now, you see it?
I want some new stuff in
the thing nearly jumped.
Imagine I make a video say I go on commercial break. And then, as soon as I pick up on the commercial break,
Break done.
break done because you dash with the blood full of food. What would you do?
Something small from the hooks place. It's like, I don't like it. Yeah. Put some things on it, you know? At a leverage. Check in, man. Wonderful view.
So you must pick up boy. So I want him live, you know. That one here. Rock. Sit on the outside. I shrimp the beginner and better give me something good.
Now they are patient, they are wait and see if they are catching nothing. Down with the bait again, look like.
Chopping and shrimp in that.
Fling him off, man.
I just hope me not stop now. I get biting a boy. Bite shop.
What him say?
Oh, man, something, man. I just stop my line, stop me. Yeah, leverage nation, see me. Grown. Nice size.
Grunt, I want him,
I keep him, man, because my father say him eat grunts, then I care if me not eat it, you see me? I bring in them. So first one this.
Hold him up, good.
We go put him in a bucket and try again.
First one, that's a leverage.
That's a leverage, isn't it?
Yes, a leverage nation. You see we catch the first one, well Clay catch the first one. And it was a grunt, a nice size one, you know. Out here is doing good, looking wonderful. You don't know a thing, go man. Yeah, so we go out here and see what more we catch. We are tell them that, because I know when I see you catch nothing, you know.
Yeah, the line just stuck on the papa. Now I'm tied up back and I see what I can try to get now.
You see, bait, the man done half bag of shrimp already, you see me? Because I did shrimp him I using him and done half bag already and I catch nothing, I like boy tell. So.
And I like me I tell him say line stuck.
So we'll see how we go.
Live dating gone pan now. See if you can catch nothing. A big shrimp to that?
Yeah. As we did tell you, brother.
So sure you boy, wait.
Yeah, man. Check in and see that.
Woo, water feel cool. My mind. Yo, nurse shot.
Huh?
My nurse shot just passed for that. Gone.
Out. Oh, and down with that one there.
This one? Yeah. Like a panda, please, so you don't jump out. I'm not worrying whenever we get to the brother. I wonder if we try one of them rat there probably to see what they snap at them.
But it's active. Oh, look it.
Something that's in my granted.
Beautiful scenery, I gotta say. Look at this vegetation. Oh man. The boat are passing.
Be a boat dog. That take line.
That take line. say I go on there.
Who give me 9 more? Just give me 9 kills.
How did that catch?
Not even catch, brother, man.
Look where hook him.
A snaggy fish, brother.
You put
Hook him
him
over
past
as bait.
put him past bait.
You time for bait?
Yeah man.
Say hook him as bait and walk it.
You saying that put the thing as bait dog.
Show you how bigger.
And show it out this way. You don't want to catch fish.
I catch a snapper right now.
You know what I'm saying? Watch them. Bring them over here. Bring them over here. Watch them, man. You must have me tough, so. Feeding time, you know.
See that?
Feeding time, you know.
Come on, see him bite me hook alone.
Try to catch him now.
That's what I was going is.
See if we can catch him leverage.
Yeah, sure, mommy that keep him and she said, yo,
See if we can catch that one day. Let's eat leverage.
I say, yo, fish only eat a morning and late evening, early morning, late evening. I'm sure at midday now, about our time. About 2 o'clock, so no? 1 o'clock. And you see how them a munch. Fish them in the time.
Yeah, so leverage nation, that is it. It was a good adventure. I don't know say Clay catch one grunt. I don't know say that is enough. Catch one for camera for leverage nation. So hopefully next time tune in. Remember, tell a friend, like, comment, share. You know the rest. Subscribe. Yeah man.
Yeah, Leverage Nation, I don't know, we did there for about half an hour to 1 hour. We're not there too long, but the place hot and I'm not really seeing no action. So we're gonna just wrap it up and then do something better next day, isn't it? But we catch one fish and yeah, place a burn up, we a sweat. No whole of fish now really a bite, so we're gonna just do some boom and dip off, isn't it? But Leverage, remember if you like, share, subscribe, comment, you know what you think go. Leverage.
Okay.
Yeah, it was a good experience, you know. But said we better luck next time for you, see me? Yeah.